Hi guys, CJ here with a Photoshop tutorial as promised. I had intended for this to be before New Year's, but I had some issues come up, which hopefully have been resolved. In this updated, much better tutorial, I'll be showing you not only how to change eye color, but also how to brighten and enhance the eyes. The previous video on this was done in an ancient version of Photoshop, which was 7.0. This is done in Photoshop CS6 Extended. So, let's get to this, shall we? The image I'm using is of me, and I didn't realize how dark my eyes were until I saw this. So these steps work really well on dark eyes. So first, we're going to brighten and enhance the eye. So first, we want to press Control or Command J. Now if we go up here to Adjustments and select Curves, when you experiment with curves, you'll see it affects the entire image. To change just the eyes, press Control or Command I, if I can get it, and this will hide the effect. Now press Z to zoom in on the eyes, and select white as the foreground color. Select the brush tool, select the hardness at 0, the opacity and the flow at 100%, or at 25%. I'm going to try 25%. I can always change this later. Now we're going to paint around the irises. Now do it with the next eye. And if you notice, toggle back and forth. This step makes the color more revealing and brighter. There's before, and there's after. Now if you want a lesser effect, you can adjust the opacity. I'm leaving mine at 100% because my eyes are really dark. But I'm leaving mine at 100%. Also, you can double click on the curves adjustment layer, push it up even more to add more light in the eyes. Now we're going to change the color of the eyes. So press Control or Command J. Whoops. That was my phone. So now we're going to I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to select blue as the color. Select the brush tool. Now to increase the brush size, press the right bracket key. To decrease the brush size, press the left bracket key. To zoom in on the eyes, press Z to bring up the zoom tool, but I already have my eyes zoomed in. Now we paint over the irises again. Now the next eye. I'm going to have to decrease my brush size here in a minute. So decrease, press the left bracket key. Next we go to Layers, Layer Style, and Blending Options. For the blend mode, I'm going to select Soft Light, Blend of Blue, you may want to experiment with the opacity. I'm leaving mine right where it is at 100% and click OK. Now I'll adjust the opacity again. I've got my opacity at around 65%. To zoom out, press Ctrl or Command 0. And it's not doing it. There we go. And that's what I look like with blue eyes. Now remember, all the settings that we worked with, you can adjust those. And you can select a different color. But that is how you brighten and enhance the eyes and change the eye color. This is CJ Grace of 2 Graphic for you. Thank you for watching.